Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to be drawing the right-hand man from Among Us. So let's get started. To draw this very cool airship imposter, let's first start by drawing his visor helmet area. So I'm going to come right here and draw a curve, just like I would drawing a regular Among Us character. So let's come around and bring this across and slightly downwards. And then I'm going to bring this around and bring this in. So the difference is that this Among Us character here has these, it's half-half, right? So we're going to come down right here. So instead of going all the way nice and smooth, we're going to break it up. So say about right here, towards the center, a little bit more than the center. Then come up a little bit, and then we're going to curve it down and then connect. Sorry, sometimes I'm just lost for words. Okay, so the most important part is you just want to make this curve right in here and then come back and connect. Now that we have the visor in, let's go ahead and draw the mustache. So come to the center where you made this little indentation right here. Come down a little bit, and about right here, I'll just give myself a point, and I'm going to draw a curve all the way out and come down. And then about right here, I'm going to connect this mustache and bring it down. So come all the way down nice and big and connect at the bottom. So then on this side, we're going to, let's draw this part first. So the head would be coming about right here. So say about right here. And so our body is going to be coming out here. So now I can come right here, draw a curve that comes all the way across. And about right here is where I'll stop. So you just want to know where your body is going to end. So about right there. And then coming through, you can draw the rest of the body on this side. So then let's just finish this mustache now on this side and just bring it down. And bring it down. And we're just going to give it a slight angle. So about right here we'll end it. And connect there. So hopefully that wasn't too complicated. I just wanted to make sure I knew where the side of the body was. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and come back to this about the center of this visor area. Come out about right here, kind of close to this mustache, and we're going to draw the top of the head. So it's just your basic Among Us head, and just draw a curve all the way around and come back and connect. And then let's just bring this down. All right, there. And then we can go ahead and bring this down as well. And then about in this area, we're going to come down just like our usual Among Us. And about in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. And this is where our feet's going to start. So I'm going to come down with a curve, and then just go ahead and connect it for the legs. And then same thing on this side. Just going to bring it in a little bit, come in about right here. And this leg is slightly shorter because we're drawing at an angle, and connect. There, so your basic Among Us body. And let's come back about the center of the back visor area again, and we're going to draw the pack. So just a curve and bring it down, follow the body, and about right there, let's go ahead and bring it in. From there, I need to draw a curve all the way down to split the body in half. So the most important part is this visor. So this is why we have this point right here. And so I'm going to say about right here to draw a curve. I'll come about, say here, and kind of following the body. And I'll just draw a curve right into there, just to split it up. And then this is going to continue upwards. So just going to say about right here. It's easier for my hand to come down, so just continue that line. And this line is going to continue through this mustache and just bring it all the way down. About right there. Okay, so then from there, let's work on this part right here to make it look like a cyborg, right? Half cyborg. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve. I'm basically just following my outside to draw the inside right here. Fix this a little bit, make it a little bit rounder. Okay, so then from there we're going to add some rivets, some circles. So I'll add one right here to make it look like metal, and 3 down here. And one more there. So one side's a cyborg, right? So then now we need to draw the top hat. So let's come about right here on top of the head, and I'm just going to draw this curve oval around it. So just kind of go right there around the head and bring it in. And then we're going to draw the big part of the hat. So about right here, I'm going to start, and I know I want to end about right here. So let's go and draw this big curve all the way around. And we're going to taper down lower right here towards the center. So just remember that about right here, we're going to come down a little bit, and then we're going to go up and curve it right back in to the point we got right here. And then for the top hat part, so it's all this nice and centered. So say about right here and here, I'll go ahead and draw a slight curve and connect it. So there, that's pretty much it for this Airship Impostor, the right-hand man skin from Among Us. And I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell as well so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.